Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. In the last class we have seen the topic is nothing but oxidation of alcohols by using PCC pyridinium chlorochromate, by using PDC pyridinium dichromate, by using CrO3 chromic anhydride, by using acidified KMnO4 and by using acidified K2Cr2O7, potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. So by using that oxidizing agents, we did oxidation of alcohols, and mostly in all procedures we have observed a common thing: primary alcohols on oxidation gives aldehydes and secondary alcohols on oxidation gives ketones. The topic we have discussed clearly beta, right? So now in this video class we are going to discuss about the different oxidizing agents. This topic is hardly for it is important for all competitive exams, NEET, CET, mains, advanced, whatever that may be. You can use for all the competitive exams, Nana. That much of evergreen important topic. So I am going to discuss, okay ना, ये सब तुमसे आज से कैसे रहना बोले तो, okay ना, more than this you are not going to face any new oxidizing agent. That means all the list of oxidizing agents and their importance I am going to be considered here. Okay ना, right? Be perfectly have to be follow beta, right? So अपन यहाँ पर अब discuss करेंगे different oxidizing agents one by one. Okay ना, name and formula and they are useful for what? इनका specification क्या है? Like that everything we will discuss. Good. Different oxidizing agents. I told you this is topic only for what, Nana? Is only for all objective exams. For all competitive exams के लिए, okay ना, अपन ये syllabus use कर सकते हैं बेटा as you wish, right? So oxidizing agents में number one I am going to discuss about that PCC. Again I am going to be revised, okay ना बेटा? PCC. What is the name of PCC? P for pyridinium and C for chloro. Again another C indicates chromate. So PCC means pyridinium chlorochromate. Once again I am going to show you the formula. As in the yesterday class also I told you now beta, C5H5, NH contain charge plus, NH contain charge plus. So this is nothing but pyridinium, it connected to chlorochromate, CrO3 minus. So name and formula, okay beta. What is the use of pyridinium chlorochromate? Okay, it is an oxidizing agent. That means it oxidizes the primary alcohols to aldehydes and it oxidizes the secondary alcohols to ketones. Okay, now right, let us go for another oxidizing agent. Yes, this also you know very well beta. This is nothing but PDC. What beta? PDC. So P for again same thing, pyridinium. DC indicates the dichromate. Pyridinium dichromate. What is the oxidizing agent? Pyridinium dichromate. So pyridinium dichromate formula is once again we are going to be discussed C5H5NH. It having the charge positive. So this is nothing but pyridinium. Here we have to be connected. The group is nothing but dichromate. The formula of dichromate is Cr2O7 minus 2. So here we have to be right taken twice. Okay, na? Same thing, Nana. So it is an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the primary alcohols to aldehydes and secondary alcohols to ketones. Same story. Here PCC also same thing, primary alcohols to aldehydes and what beta? Secondary alcohols to ketones. Good. Let us go for third oxidizing agent. Action with hot copper or silver. Action with hot copper or silver at the temperature is 300 degrees Celsius, or we can say at the temperature is 573 Kelvin. This topic also we have studied before 2 days, Nana. I hope you understand. This topic is nothing but catalytic dehydrogenation. We have studied, Nana. Right. So by passing over the hot copper or silver, so here we have to be say that primary alcohols again same thing, they are changes into the aldehydes, and secondary alcohols, they are changes into the ketones, and tertiary alcohols, they are changes into the alkenes. I told you this is only important. Primary alcohols, upon the passing over the hot copper or silver, you are getting the product is nothing but aldehyde. After dehydrogenation, minus H2. Here also ketene, here also minus H2. But tertiary alcohols, they undergo the process dehydration. Primary, upon passing over the copper or silver, aldehyde, and the secondary alcohol gives ketones, and tertiary alcohols, they are going to form the product is nothing but alkene. Yes, I already explained karke hai beta. That's why I am going in somewhat fast. You know very well. So primary alcohols upon catalytic dehydrogenation gives aldehydes. Secondary alcohols upon catalytic dehydrogenation gives ketones, but tertiary alcohols, they do not undergo catalytic dehydrogenation, they undergo catalytic dehydration, and it forms the product is nothing but alkane. Good. Let us go for fourth oxidizing agent. That is nothing but CAN. CAN. Very important. Try to be focused नाना. आपको तो पता नहीं मालूम, कभी सुने भी नहीं इसका नाम, but important topic. CAN. What is the abbreviation of CAN? इसका formula क्या हो सकता है? And what is the importance of CAN? Okay, now we are going to be discuss. CAN. It is an oxidizing agent. Its name is, C indicates ceric and A indicates ammonium, and N indicates nitrate. Now you read the name. CAN means ceric ammonium nitrate. It is an oxidizing agent. I am going to show you the formula. Ceric, nothing but cerium. Formula is nothing but Ce. NH4, the formula is nothing but what, Nana? Ammonium. Ammonium formula, NH4. Nitrate, what is the formula of nitrate group? NO3. Okay, but exactly balancing kare to NH4 contain twice, NO3 contains 6. This is your formula of what, Nana? Ceric ammonium nitrate. Ceric ammonium nitrate. Ce, NH4 taken twice, NO3 taken 6. This is your formula of CAN, ceric ammonium nitrate. Okay, what is the use of ceric ammonium nitrate? It oxidizes only for primary alcohols to aldehydes. So primary alcohols, they can be oxidized to aldehyde by using the oxidizing agent, that is nothing but in presence of CAN, only for primary. That's why important I am saying to you. Okay, now remaining all they are common on a primary to aldehyde, secondary to ketone, but CAN oxidizes only the primary alcohols and changes into the aldehyde. Okay, now let us go for another beta, and that is nothing but, first suppose CrO3. Yes, in the last class also we have seen about this. CrO3 means chromic anhydride. CrO3 is chromic anhydride. Chromic anhydride means this is the reagent we are getting from chromic acid. In the last class I told you the formula of chromic acid. Chromic acid का formula H2CrO4. Chromic acid. From that chromic acid, remove the water molecule. Means you are getting anhydride chromic form, that is called CrO3. Okay, now right. So chromic anhydride, that is nothing but what, beta? CrO3, and already I told you it selectively oxidizes only the secondary alcohols into the ketone. Secondary alcohols into the ketone. Give an oxidizing agent which selectively oxidizes only primary alcohol, that is nothing but CAN. Give an oxidizing agent which selectively oxidizes only the secondary alcohol, that is nothing but CrO3. Chromic anhydride, it selectively oxidizes the secondary alcohols to ketone, and ceric ammonium nitrate is selectively oxidizes only primary alcohols to aldehyde. Ceric only for primary, okay na beta, is important, and chromic anhydride only for what, beta? Secondary alcohols. I hope you understand this clearly. Good. Another oxidizing agent, first suppose that is nothing but MnO2. MnO2, black powder, manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide. Good. So what is the use of manganese dioxide? Try to remember, be careful, it is also a very important. A selective mild oxidizing agent for allylic and benzylic alcohols. Try to एक बार think करो ना, try to think. Selective reducing agent is, I told you, NaBH4, sodium borohydride. It is a selective reducing agent. Yes or no? Similarly, selective mild oxidizing agent, nothing but little bit weak oxidizing agent, but it must be selective because of it oxidizes only the allylic and benzylic alcohols. So allylic and benzylic alcohols are selectively oxidized by a mild base a mild oxidizing agent, that is nothing but what, MnO2. So तुम्हारा point में remember करो, it is a mild oxidizing agent, it is a weak oxidizing agent, and one more thing, it is the selective oxidizing agent because of it selectively oxidizes only the allylic and benzylic alcohols, but they won't affect the double bond. That's why I am saying selective. Okay, now right. Shall I show you one example? Yeah. So the example is directly I am going to show you CH2 double bond CH. This is vinyl group and it connected to another group CH2. This carbon is nothing but allyl carbon. Double bond said carbon is allyl. Number of times I told you. And it is connected to the group is nothing but OH. So OH connected to carbon, carbon connected to another carbon. This is nothing but primary. Okay, na beta? Right. So, and this is which alcohol? Allyl. So primary allylic alcohol. Primary allylic alcohols upon oxidation with MnO2. Selective oxidizing agent. It selectively oxidizes only allylic place but not the double bond. So double bond place as it is CH2 double bond CH bonded to. Listen beta. Allyl alcohol okay, but what is the nature of allyl alcohol? Primary alcohol. Are common beta. Primary alcohol must be changes into aldehyde. So this CH2OH form changes into CHO. Double bond remains as it is. Just primary allylic alcohol, allylic carbon alcohol changes into the form is nothing but aldehyde. Some other questions I will tell you after the completion of all oxidizing acids. But try to remember the statement now. Good. Allylic and benzylic. Primary alcohols. Allylic and benzylic primary alcohols upon oxidation with MnO2 changes into the aldehyde. Maybe allylic alcohol, maybe benzylic alcohol, whatever that may be, but both are what beta? Primary. Primary alcohol must be changes into aldehydes. Let us go for same thing. Again same thing beta. Allylic and benzylic secondary alcohols. Again oxidation with what? MnO2. Allylic and benzylic secondary alcohols upon oxidation with MnO2. Here I said maybe allylic, maybe benzylic, but the condition is secondary. Secondary alcohols upon oxidation gives what is the product beta? Ketone. I hope you understand. So here allylic alcohol changes into the aldehyde. Such aldehyde name is called acrolein. Very important name beta. Acrolein. Okay na? Right. Anyway, so once again try to remember. Maybe allylic alcohol or maybe benzylic alcohol. Primary alcohol oxidizes to aldehyde, secondary alcohol oxidizes to ketone. In allylic and benzylic, double bonds are there. Double bonds won't be affected by MnO2. That's why we are saying a selective oxidizing agent. So here we have to say that BBs means double bonds, not affected. That means from reactant to product, double bonds will be remains as it is, just only primary alcoholic form changes into aldehyde, secondary alcoholic form changes into ketone. That's why we are saying it is a selective oxidizing agent. इससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं बता सकते ना. Okay, right. I will give you the examples. Don't worry. Next, go for continue. Important. This is also. That is nothing but Jones reagent. Important topic. Which topic? Jones reagent. Sir, what is mean by Jones reagent? इसका formula क्या हो सकता है? And what is the importance of this Jones reagent? Okay. Jones reagent is, I am going to show the formula. Directly they will ask you in objective exam. Among the following, Jones reagent is, Saurit's reagent is, Collins reagent is, like the three importance are coming now. Be careful. Good. Jones reagent formula: H2CrO4. H2CrO4. What is the name? Chromic acid. Chromic acid in aqueous acetone. Chromic acid in aqueous acetone. This is your formula of Jones reagent. Same Jones reagent, this formula we can show in the another form. Okay, the another form is CrO3, aqueous H2SO4, and or we can say in acetone. Try to see here, both the formulas are same. H2CrO4. From this, after removal of water, we are getting CrO3. Here sulfuric acid. Here looking like water, H2SO4. Yes, यहाँ पर भी acidic medium, H2 medium. And in aqueous acetone, here also solvent is acetone. So one final thing, chromic acid in aqueous acetone or chromic anhydride plus aqueous sulfuric acid in aqueous acetone. Both are the composition or formulas of what, Nana? Jones reagent. Let us see importance. So common, same like this, Nana. Just you should remember only the formula. If you read the formula, that is enough, Nana. Because of uses are same, Nana. What is the uses? So it can oxidize primary alcohols to aldehydes. Okay, na? And secondary alcohols to ketones. Everything is same, beta. Okay. Next, go for another oxidizing agent. That is nothing but Saurit's reagent. SORR. Saurit's reagent or Saurit's reagent, as you wish. Okay. Let us see the formula of Saurit's reagent. PCC in DCM. PCC means pyridinium chlorochromate. It was present in a solvent, that is nothing but DCM solvent. DCM means, here I am going to show you the formula, CH2Cl2. In halogen compound you have studied better. Dichloromethane, DCM. Dichloromethane, CH2Cl2 is the formula. Okay. So PCC is already, it is an oxidizing agent. PCC in presence of supporting solvent, that is DCM, dichloromethane. This composition is called Saurit's reagent. Again, you just have same beta. It can also oxidize the primary alcohols to aldehydes and secondary alcohols to ketones. Good. Next oxidizing agent, this is nothing but Collins reagent. Which reagent, beta? Collins reagent. Let us see what is the formula of Collins reagent. Here we have to be take 1 mole of CrO3, means 1 mole of chromic anhydride, and 1 more is nothing but 2 moles of pyridine. Pyridine formula C5H5N, same like benzene, but one of the carbon replaced by nitrogen. Okay, na, along with hydrogen. Okay, right. So 1 mole of chromic anhydride and 2 moles of pyridine. 2 moles of pyridine. Guarantee mole के साथ remember करना. In the reagent is nothing but again same thing, DCM means dichloromethane. So 1 mole of chromic oxide or chromic anhydride and 2 moles of pyridine in DCM dichloromethane. This is the composition of Colin's reagent. Again use all same thing, Nana. Yes, it can also oxidize the primary alcohols to aldehydes and secondary alcohols to ketones. Secondary alcohols to what, beta? Ketones. Try to remember. Okay. Jones reagent, Saurit's reagent, maybe one more is nothing but Colin's reagent. Okay. All they are having same function. Primary alcohol oxidizes to aldehydes and secondary alcohols oxidizes to ketone, and tertiary alcohols never undergo oxidation due to absence of tertiary hydrogen atom. I told you in previous class. So यहाँ पर function तो सबको मालूम. Try to remember the formulas only. That is important for you. Okay, now good. Right. So 9 oxidizing agents we have studied. Another 2 oxidizing agents are there. Let us go for that now. So once again tell me the formula. PCC means pyridinium chlorochromate. PDC means pyridinium dichromate. Okay, na beta. What is the abbreviation of CAN? CAN abbreviation ceric ammonium nitrate. Ceric ammonium nitrate. What is the use of CAN, beta? That selectively oxidizes only primary alcohol to aldehydes. And what is the use of CrO3? CrO3 means chromic anhydride. CrO3 that selectively oxidizes only secondary alcohols to ketones. Secondary alcohols to ketones. Good, Nana. Right. Next, go for another oxidizing agent. That is nothing but Swarno reagent. Which reagent, beta? Swarno reagent. Okay, na? Right. So Swarno reagent formula. One is nothing but DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide. CH3 taken twice, SO. CH3 taken twice, dimethyl sulfoxide, SO, sulfur with oxygen, no problem. DMSO in oxalyl chloride. DMSO in oxalyl chloride. What is the formula of oxalyl chloride? COCl2 whole taken twice. Important, remember karo, only for objective. Dimethyl sulfoxide in oxalyl chloride. What is the formula of oxalyl chloride? COCl2 whole taken twice. Okay, now. Yes, entire mixture it was present in, and we have to be considered here C2H5 taken thrice N. C2H5 taken thrice N. Nothing but amine. Which amine? Triethyl amine. Triethyl amine. Once again, what is the Swarno reagent composition? Swarno reagent. Swarno reagent. The composition is nothing but dimethyl sulfoxide in oxalyl chloride and triethyl amine. This is the composition. Again, use same thing, Nana. It also commonly oxidizes primary alcohols to aldehydes and secondary alcohols to ketones. Secondary alcohols to ketones, like that common case, Nana. Try to remember the reagent only. Okay, right. Yeah, go for another, Nana. That is nothing but Fenton's reagent. Which reagent? Fenton's reagent. Okay. Sir, what is the formula of Fenton's reagent? Fenton's reagent formula is nothing but FeSO4 ferrous sulfate along with a mixture of hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Ferrous sulfate along with hydrogen peroxide, such mixture is nothing but Fenton's reagent, presence of H2O2, it acts as oxidizing agent. Again, story is same. It commonly oxidizes the primary alcohols to aldehydes and secondary alcohols to ketones. Secondary alcohols to ketones. Next, go for 12th one, beta. The oxidizing agent is silver carbonate. Silver carbonate, Ag2CO3. Silver carbonate in benzene. What is the formula of benzene? C6H6. Again same thing, it commonly oxidizes what beta? Primary alcohols to aldehydes and secondary alcohols to ketones. Secondary alcohols to ketones, like that beta. Okay, now good. Yeah. So listen, Nana, up to now we have studied about the 12 compounds. In the 12, all they are oxidizing primary alcohols to aldehyde and secondary alcohol to ketone, except two. One is CAN, one more is CrO3. CAN only for primary alcohol oxidation, CrO3 only for secondary alcohol oxidation. Try to remember these 2 points inside the mind. Okay, now good. And remaining, except the two remaining, all 10, they will oxidize the primary to aldehyde and secondary to ketone. Okay, na? Right, Nana. And along with this 12, another 2 are there, you know very well. That is nothing but acidified KMnO4, potassium permanganate, and acidified K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. They will also oxidize the primary alcohol to aldehyde and finally changes to carboxylic acid. And secondary alcohol changes to ketone, again finally changes to carboxylic acids. Because of, in case of KMnO4 and in case of K2Cr2O7, these are the powerful oxidizing agents. In presence of these two oxidizing agents, aldehydes and ketones, finally they are changes into the carboxylic acids. Okay, that already I told you in the form of notes also. Everything I have given to you in the previous class only. Once again check out beta. Okay, right. So except KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7, remaining all, they will oxidize the primary to aldehyde and secondary to ketone. But CAN only for primary, CrO3 for secondary. Bus. Story is clear. Yeah. So now I am going to discuss with you one objective reaction. Objective reaction. The objective reaction name is little bit variety name, try to be focused. This is called opener oxidation, or we can say open air oxidation, as you wish. अब जैसे pronounce करना चाहते हैं ऐसे pronounce करो. Okay, right. Opener oxidation or open air oxidation. Let us go for, in this opener oxidation process, what is the oxidizing agent? What is the oxidizing agent? So in this process, the oxidizing agent is Al bonded to isopropoxy group taken thrice, because of Al charge plus 3, here also taken thrice in acetone. So listen carefully. In opener oxidation, the oxidizing agent is aluminium isopropoxide. Aluminium isopropoxide in acetone. This is your oxidizing agent of opener process. Good. So it oxidizes, again same thing, primary alcohols to aldehyde and secondary alcohols to ketone, but opener oxidation is mostly preferable for secondary alcohols to ketones. Secondary alcohols to ketones. I am going to show the reaction. Secondary alcohol, one process, formula, R bonded to CH, CH below plane OH, again bonded to R, OH connected to carbon, carbon connected to two surrounding groups, alkyl group or carbon. This is nothing but what beta? Secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohols undergo oxidation by using aluminium isopropoxide. By using aluminium isopropoxide. In presence of what? Acetone. In presence of acetone. Okay, in presence of acetone, and changes into the product is nothing but ketone. Ketone formula R bonded to C double bond O bonded to R. Okay, na? Right. Secondary alcohols upon oxidation gives what is the product, Nana? Ketone. Yes, in presence of aluminium isopropoxide. Aluminium isopropoxide, and it contains in which solvent? Acetone solvent. Try to say the formula of acetone. CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to CH3. This is nothing but acetone. So secondary alcohol in this process, secondary alcohol changes into ketone. Means how many hydrogens you are removing? 2 hydrogens. Such removed 2 hydrogens one hydrogen given to O become OH. One more hydrogen given to C become OH. Now acetone changes into CH3 bonded to C. To that C we are giving one hydrogen. Again one more hydrogen given to O, that means O becomes what? OH. Again it connected to what, Nana? CH3. So what is the byproduct here in opener process? In opener oxidation process, the byproduct is nothing but isopropyl alcohol. Which alcohol? Isopropyl alcohol. Once again I am going to say, opener oxidation process is, in that opener oxidation process, the oxidizing agent is aluminium isopropoxide in acetone. Aluminium isopropoxide in acetone. Aluminium isopropoxide एक short form बता तुम देखो. Al connected to O bonded to CH. CH के बाद क्या लिखना बोले तो we have to be write CH3 taken twice, O written taken thrice. CH, right plane CH3, below plane CH3, connected to O, isopropoxide. Which isopropoxide? Aluminium. Aluminium isopropoxide in presence of acetone. Okay, this is the oxidizing agent. Secondary alcohols on oxidation with opener oxidizing agent changes into the ketone. Okay, secondary alcohol to ketone changing was over. But here I have written another two formulas because of reaction taking place in presence of acetone. Okay, in presence of acetone. So secondary alcohol is main reactant, changes into main product ketone. But here along with main reactant and main product, there are two side reactant, side product. Side reactant is acetone, which is in oxidizing agent. Yes. So acetone changes into what, Nana? Isopropyl alcohol. Side reactant, side byproduct. Reactant and byproduct, they are always fixed because of oxidizing agent is fixed. So what will be changed? Secondary alcohol को अपन change कर सकते हैं, depends on R group, and you will get the depends on R group, you are getting different ketone. So तुम्हारा main में fix करो. In oxidizing agent, acetone is there, that changes into isopropyl alcohol. Always that is common. But common thing is, but main point is, secondary alcohols upon oxidation gives rise to ketone. Okay now, right? One more short point and very important point. Secondary alcohols upon oxidation gives what? Ketone. And this reverse process is called, MPV reduction. What is the reverse process? MPV reduction. M for Mirvin and P for Fandorf and V for Varley. Okay, na? Right. So secondary alcohol changes to ketone. The process is called oxidation, or we can say opener oxidation. Try to imagine reverse. Ketone can be changes to secondary alcohol. That's why I have written reversible symbol. Ketone can be changes into secondary alcohol, but by the process is reduction. Forward is oxidation, opener oxidation. Backward is reduction. MPV reduction means Mirvin, Fandorf, Varley reduction. Okay now, so they will ask you, what is the opposite form of opener oxidation? That is nothing but MPV reduction. In opener oxidation, secondary alcohol changes to ketone, but in MPV, ketones are changes into the secondary alcohol. Opener is oxidation, MPV is reduction. Both are quite opposite to each other processes. Okay now, just one question. Here I have written one cyclohexane ring. You suppose connected to OH. Again you suppose at one of the carbon, third carbon, it connected to CH2OH. Here I have written the reagent for suppose that is nothing but PCC or PDC as you wish. In presence of the solvent DCM or we can say dichloromethane. DCM नहीं support किया तो भी चलता directly PCC, okay, or PDC, right? So OH connected to carbon, carbon connected to two carbon. What is the alcohol nature? Secondary alcohol. OH connected to carbon, carbon connected to another carbon. What is the alcohol nature? Primary alcohol. So simply you can do Nana. Primary alcohols on oxidation gives aldehyde. Secondary alcohols on oxidation gives ketones. Like that we have to rewrite the product. Okay, answer. Same cyclohexane ring I have taken here. And this is nothing but which group? Secondary alcohol group biota. Secondary alcohols upon oxidation changes into ketone, C double bond O. And this is primary alcoholic group, it can be changes into what? An aldehyde, so that is nothing but CHO. So primary alcoholic group changes into aldehydic form, and secondary alcoholic group, it was changes into which form beta? Keto form. This is your final product. Like that 2-3 questions are there. I hope you can easily understand. I will send you through the WhatsApp group, Nana. Okay, I hope you understand this clearly. Try to make practice, Nana, a very important topic. Okay, na? Right.